Welcome everyone. As we all know, we are in unlock 5 phase, so we have to remember some points. Wear mask, follow physical distancing, maintain hand hygiene. You should all wear mask properly. Stay at least 6 feet from others. We have to remain 6 feet far from others. Wash your hands frequently, always with soap and water for at least 20 seconds. Remember to not touch your face, do not share food or drink with others. Wash your hands frequently with soap at least for 20 seconds. Till for 20 seconds you have to wash your hands with soap and do not touch your face with dirty hands and do not share your food and drink with others, as somebody who is coming from outside may have some viruses. So stay away from other people at least 6 feet and wash your hands and everything which touches your nose, eyes, ears. So let's start with today's topic, advanced feature of Excel. We will continue this chapter. So today's first topic is commonly used chart types. As we all know how to make a chart, we have learned in the last previous video. So now we will learn some commonly used chart types. What are the types of chart? First chart is column chart. A column chart is a commonly used chart type to display data in the form of vertical bars. It shows data change over a period of time or comparison among different data items. So it is similarly to the chart which we have studied in previous video. This column chart will display the data in vertical bars in a straight line. We will see in practical also. It shows data change over a period of time or comparison among different data items. So it shows the comparison, as we have make a in the last video we have make a column chart only. So we will see how it shows the comparison between different items. Second chart is bar chart. This chart displays data in the form of long rectangular rods, also called bars. They are placed vertically or horizontally on the chart area. A bar chart illustrates comparison among individual items. So it shows the comparison to the individual's item, and this is same as it shows the data in rectangular rows, and it is up to the it is up to us. We can make it in horizontal way or in vertical way. Next chart is line chart. This chart is in the form of lines. It is very similar to plotting a graph on a graph paper with its value on the x-axis and the y-axis. A line chart uses connecting dots to display trend in data over a period of time. So to show the data for the period of time, we can make a line chart which is displayed in x-axis and y-axis. There's various dots which are connected by a single line. So a line, and it shows the value on the same in x-axis and the y-axis. Like we all make the chart in x-axis and y-axis, so this chart also made in x-axis and y-axis, like you make it in your graph paper. Similarly, we have to connect the dots to make a line chart. Pie chart. This chart displays the data in the form of circle that make up a data series to the sum of items. It always shows only one data series and is useful when you want to emphasize on a significant element. Pie chart shows the data in a circle form, and it always shows only one data series. Only one data series can be shown through pie chart, and it is used to emphasize. That means to give some more if we want to show something more important, we can make a pie chart, as we will see it in example. Formatting a chart. Formatting improves the appearance of a chart. You can format a chart by adding title, changing text, font, line color, width, border style, legend, data series, etc. You can also change the number on value axis, hide or show grid line, etc. Formatting means to change the appearance of a chart to make it more attractive. Not so to make it more attractive, we can give a title, we can change the text, we can give color, we can change the font. So why we have to use the formatting of a chart? To we have to format a chart to make it more attractive. So we have to change its appearance so the chart looks more attractive and we can easily understand the data. That's why formatting need. So to format a data, we can change the background colors and patterns. How to do that? You can modify a chart by changing its color, pattern and background. So we have to right click on the plot area and select format plot area option. The format plot area dialog box appears. We have to do the right click on the plot area and the format plot area dialog box will appear. Select suitable border style, border color, shadow, etc. according to your choice. So we can choose the border style, border color and the shadow according to our choice, according to us. Click on fill tab and select the solid fill option. Then we can click on the fill tab and we have to select the solid fill option. Click on color button and select the desired color from the drop down menu. When we click on color button, the color palette will appear and we can select the color whatever we want. Click on close button and observe the change. Then we have to click the close button and we can see the change in our chart. So let's make it. First of all, you have to open the MS Excel. Click on start button, Microsoft Excel 2010. We have to enter some data to make a chart. We are entering some data so we can make a chart on it. After entering data, now we have to select and we can go on insert. See, here are charts which I have shown in your last video: column chart, line chart, pie chart, bar chart. See, this is the bar chart. We can make the bar chart, or this is the bar chart. This is the pie chart. And this is the line chart. In similar way, this is the column chart. So we have to click in plot area. To format plot area, we can see the last option, format plot area. In format plot area, we can see that we can change the border color, border style, shadow, glow, soft edges, 3D format. If you want to change the border color, you can directly click on it and here solid line color option is there, no line option is there, gradient line and automatic. It will give you the data automatically. So this is how we can change our border color. If you want to change the color, it will change. So this is your plot area where we can change the appearance. So we have to click on plot area, format plot area, and we will see our things by which we can change our border styles. Also is there, component type. Here we can choose any of the bar, dash type, capital arrow setting, width, and the shadow is also there, glow soft edges, and 3D format, all are there. See gradient line, we can change the gradient line also, and in no line we can, there will be no line. And the fill is also there, solid fill, gradient fill, pattern fill, or automatic. It is totally up to the user how he has to make his chart. Thank you.